Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine. Today I will be doing 5 minutes of typing as always, and then 25 minutes of SASS tutorial. Let's get into it then. Typing.io is my weapon of choice to improve my typing. And we'll continue in Scala. Okay, let's get into it. Start a timer. Okay. No, I did it fairly quickly. 2%, nice. 45, okay. That's good for me. Hopefully it will get better. Oh, crap. All right, what is the result? 4%. Oh, well, what can you do? So we will close it. It's not bad. It's not bad. Don't play down. Don't play down. So, and we are doing the SASS tutorial. Okay, so we will open the SASS project somewhere. We'll switch to that. And yes, I want it in this window. So at this time, I will stop the timer for typing and start the timer for SASS. And the thing we want to go to is here, the SASS, and we want the mixing. SASS at mixing. All right. I can have a look in here, and what is here? Import. Import. SASS tutorial, SASS at mixing is the place. Okay. So we had the add import. What was the import about? I don't remember. Import is importing files, file names. Okay. Okay, so we go here to the mixing. Mixing and include. Okay, so that will be another chapter. And yeah, we'll collapse all of those. And here we will, this is directory. It will be 07. And it is what at mixing and include. I'll copy you guys and paste you here. And here we go. There we will have something. So the add mixin directive lets you create CSS code that is to be reused throughout the website. The include directive is created to let you use include the mixin. Defining and mixin. Okay, so we will say mixin name property value, and then we can, there's an example, important text, red, size, bold, border, okay. And using, we have selector, and then we have this one. Okay, so and the example danger, import background green. Okay, so I think I can understand that, and that goes across all the files, or how does it go? Let's see. So we will here create a new file, and that will be file, and it will be mixing clear as CSS. Yes, please edit. Thank you, kind sir. And then we will. Oh, there's. Yeah, there are the other files. That is okay. That is all okay. And I don't see what I'm typing. Okay. Ta-da. So you will go down and this present present present. Okay, we will say bottom. Okay, good. Now if I do anything, it's over here. Okay. So we will define mixin like this. It will be add mixin, and here we will, okay, important text, important text will be the thing, and we will say color will be red, border will be 2 pixels. What are the parameters? Border width, border style. Okay, well, so vector, border width, border style. So pixel, solid, border style, line style, and we will have a red. Okay, cool. And then, so we did define this font size. Yeah, we can do font size, and that will be 25 pixels, for example, and that's it. And maybe I can, I'll say this will be warning, and that will be, we will say, we have to say import, include, import, and the mixin is import. Okay, maybe I need to read it. Okay, so directive. Mixin is defined with the mixin directive. SASS mixin syntax. Here, following example creates mixin named important text. Here we have that. Tip on hyphens and underscores in SASS. Hyphens and underscores are considered to be the same. This means that mixin, important text, and import text are considered the same mixin. Ah, very important. They include directives to use to include mixin. So we have done without the quote. So we'll do that and say that I wanted to say important text. That should be it, right? He doesn't like it. Include. Okay. Include. What about now? Oh, it works. Okay. So what I want to see is I will split it vertically now. Vertically, and on the right side, or maybe on the left side, I want to have what I want to have. I want to have this guy. Yeah. What is here? So let's say here we will say background color will be green, dark green. Okay, and now it will rebuild by itself by the power of magic. And this is the result. Okay, cool. 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 What else? So this is the syntax, this is the output. That's all. Passing variables to a mixin. Mixin accepts arguments. This way you can pass variables to mixin. Here's how to define mixin with arguments. Passing variables to mixins. that. Okay, and we have that color width. Okay, we'll do the same thing. So it will be add mixin bordered. It will take 2 parameters. And it will be color width. Okay, and now we have something in here. How does this work? Oh, I have to call my notes. Okay, so we have it will have a border, and we say width. We say width solid. I will say color. Okay, love it. What's the problem here? Yeah, thank you, kind sir. And here we will have my article, and we will have here add include, right? Include, and now that then we will have border, yeah. And the input color will be red. Oh no, it will be lavender. And the width will be 1 pixel. Okay, and the second thing will be my diff. It will be 4 pixels, and this will be black. Okay, so convert it, and this is the thing what we do. Okay, cool. Notice that the arguments are set as variables, and then used as values, color and width of border property. After compilation, the CSS looks like this. Yeah, I saw. Default values for mixing. Okay. Oh, we are doing default values now. Default values for mixing. Let's have a look. How does it look? So we have, it's also possible to define default values for mixing variables. Oh, color, column blue with 1, okay. So we will have mixing another border, and we say color, and turn off the alarm. Color. Then we will have a width like so, and then we provide the default value. So default value will be blue, and width will be 1 pixel. And in the body, you'll say border, and we'll have a width, and then say something else. What can we have? Okay, it tells me colors, but that's not really what goes here, does it? If solid dot dash dashed. Okay, we do dashed, and then we say color. Okay, so this is that, and we will say dot default values, and that will be include, and we will say not the border, yeah, and without parameters. And then we have one default value like this, and here we have include another border, and we will try to say red here, and we will not provide a second parameter. That one flies as well. Is that okay to do? Yeah, well, it looks red, 1 pixel. Okay, and we say no default value, and let's define both of them. Include another border, and we say red and stop pixel 100 pixels. Okay, and that works. Everything works. Everything nice and dandy. Using mixing for vendor prefixes. Ah, okay. Using a mixin for vendor prefixes. What does it mean? We have a property. Ah, yeah, sure. My book includes transform, rotate, and 90 degrees, and because all of that bullshit. Okay. CSS output is that. Sure. Oh, yeah, I will not bother. This, we will have now like that. Transform, it's oh, wait a moment. It's in the parentheses. You have transport, and then we have rotate and 20 degrees. Okay, let's just input it in there. What if I do like another value? Will it break? Will it be ignored? Oh, it breaks. Okay, cool. It doesn't like it. Doesn't like it. Okay, so I think we have completed successfully SASS and mix and include. Okay, so we say here, bum bum, and here I will paste it in, chapter completed, commit. Cool. Now we have extend. Okay, so let's go to the extend. For that, I want to have a look in here. We will create another directory, like so. Directory, it will be all8, crap, all8, and that was add extend. Okay, so we'll do that. And here we'll create a file, and that will be extent and inheritance. Oh crap. Cancel, go back. File, extend as CSS. Here we go. That's the way. I like it. Okay, so we have that, and now we have those guys. So I want the CSS file on the left, please. Thank you. And yep, so that's what I want. Now we will read. The extend directive lets you share a set of CSS properties from one selector to another. Extend. The extend directive is useful if you have almost identically styled elements that only differ in some small details. The following SASS example: first create basic style buttons, yeah. Then we create once a report button, and have background color different one. Okay. Extend their in addition, they have their own colors defined. Okay, so this is submit, and both are extending those. Okay, cool. So we can create that. So we say button button basic, yeah, and that will have a, I don't know, uh, text, align, center, and we will say, I don't know, that's okay, I think. Let's do color. That will be black. And then we will have another like button submit, and this will be have. So first we have to extend the button basic like that. Still working, right? Okay. So what's the problem? Button basic doesn't know it. Okay, I have to use the entire selector with the dot too, so I will do that. Oh, nice, okay. And the underscore should be the same thing as the button basic, right? Oh no. Okay, so maybe there is a difference, At least in here. So we have button submit, and I can say background color will be green. What the hell is this? Maybe this was what was broken it. Yeah, probably. What I'm curious about, if I can override some of the properties in the child of the parent. So I will say button override, and here we will have extend, and we have to say dot button basic. Here we go, and then we say color, and we say red, for example. And now I'm curious what it will do. And this is not what I expected at all. They have own colors defined. Oh, okay, it should be in here then. Yeah. Okay, so if I use that as my CSS style, I think I will get uh, it should be red, but let's say uh, okay, we'll replace that um, button with div and go. Cool. So we have that, and I'm doing that because I want to create a HTML file, and this will be what was it? Extended inheritance? No. It, yeah, it is. It is extended inheritance. Okay, so we'll do that. Go here. Yeah, edit. Then I will have a look in here, and we will. I'm sorry. We will add the style sheet, and we will have a div. I will complete this. So it'll be basic, and the class will be div basic. Thank you. And we will try a few of those. Replace basic with submit, and yeah, those. Then I want to replace this basic with override. Okay, and now we should be able to view it. So let's go to Chrome and see how it looks. So it is, well, I forgot what I'm looking for. So this color should be red, yeah, and it is because it's the latest. So it's not black, it's red. So that's what I'm looking for. Okay, cool, cool, cool. And we will not do green. We will say, oh crap, I want the CSS file. I want light green. Okay, save. It's building the SCS, and much better, much better. Okay, so we are over the time. Let's have a look when we are in the extend and inheritance. Oh, we did it. Okay, I did it. So by using extend directive, you do not need to specify several classes for an element in your HTML code. Like this button class, button, report this button. You just need to specify dot button report to get both sets of styles. Okay, so next will be SASS functions. So we will go to the MD file, and we will close this, close all in group by. Thank you, and we'll say continue in. This guy says functions, and we completed mix and include and extend. So so this is add extend. Sure. So we will say add extend chapter completed, and we'll commit and push. Push. This tells us that we are over the time limit, which means we are done. Done is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye.